framework like Jekyll, Docosaurus, and there are many other which will help us rendering .md file to HTML. That means you don't have to actually write the HTML file. You just have to write something in MD file, and that will be rendered. So so there is some customization here, but at the end you will be having some kind of pages. Let me find some MD file. So all the posts are under this. You can see my all the reports are basically documented here in a text format. You can see the preview also. If it is MD file, GitHub provides the preview version of it. If you want to see raw version, then you can click on raw, and then it will show you how it looks in MD file. So some of the metadata about it, and then the MD file, very regular way of writing it. So, so, so the fundamental is you need an HTML file in the repository in some branch, and you can select it here in the pages, and that will be rendered. Now there are different ways of creating this HTML file. You can build it, or you can use Jekyll kind of plugins. That is very much supported by GitHub Pages, and there are many other as well. Now I will show you if it is not github.io, right? So there is some repository, something like this. This is one of the project where I have README file. So you can use this README file to be used as a web page for this particular repository. What I mean is you can have something like this. Okay, let me write sci-ruby is the org. Okay, and then .github.io, and then slash we have this repository. So yeah, as you can see, it redirecting to sci-ruby.com because we have did this linking part. But the actual thing that I want to share is the same thing, that whatever is written in the README file is rendered here in the HTML. So this is also one of the way of showcasing your GitHub repository in Webpage, rather than opening the GitHub repository and showing them the README file. It is better to have some kind of template, and it will look it feels good. It has good UI and UX experience, and all the links will work as expected. Let me know if you want to have more detail about how can we have template on any of the repository. I will try to create one. Thanks for watching.